Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to delete and remove a family account in Cash App. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you have not already. Once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So if you do not already have the Cash App application, what you can do is go to the App Store on your mobile phone, open up your App Store and go into the search bar. In the search bar, search for Cash App, find the Cash App application. Once you open it up, install it, and now we can get started. So you can log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, we'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can take a look at our cash balance, we have our savings and all the other settings we can access. And now we can get started. So what are we looking for guys? Well, if you want to remove some accounts from your family account, from your family plan, and so on, this is how you can do it. You just have to go right here into the upper right corner. So as you can see in the upper right corner, you can take a look at your profile icon. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner, and this is going to go ahead and open up your account settings. In the account settings, you're going to go and be seeing multiple settings options, and one of them is going to be called family and friends. So what you want to do guys is find family and friends in your settings in the upper right corner, open up family and friends, and from there you can get started with adding any accounts that you want into your family and friends. And if you have already added accounts that you want to delete, you can just tap on those accounts and select that you want to delete them and remove them from your Cash App, and they're no longer going to be a part of your family account. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.